In a small coastal town, whispers of a mysterious phenomenon spread. Fishermen claimed they heard voices from the deep, echoing tales of lost ships. Scientists arrived, intrigued by the speed of sound in water. They discovered that sound traveled faster underwater, revealing secrets hidden for centuries. One night, a diver heard a melody unlike anything on Earth. Following the sound, he found an ancient shipwreck untouched by time. Inside, a chest of gold and a diary detailing a sailor's pact with the sea. The town's legend was true, and the sea's whispers held the key to its past.